Come let me tell you a secret. China just dropped a set of free AI video tools that are already producing results better than most paid platforms, even rivaling tools like Grok. No hype, no announcements, just insane quality. Right now, a small group of creators is using them to make cinematic videos in minutes, while everyone else is still paying. I tested these tools, and the results don't even look AI generated. But here's the crazy part. One of them can turn a single sentence into a fully animated high-quality video for free. So why is nobody talking about this? In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find these tools and how to use them to create standout content. And trust me, the last one changes everything. This AI tool I'm going to show you today, honestly, I don't know why it's one of the least talked about, because it's just as good as the paid ones, and it's completely free and unlimited. To get started, all you have to do is click here and select Quinn 3.5 Plus. I'm just going to expand the models a bit so you can clearly see exactly what this AI tool can do. As you can see, there are multiple specialized models available, and they even have one specifically for coding, which is really good. For now, I'll leave it on 3.5 Plus. If you click on this plus button, you'll notice even more features available. You can generate images and even videos, all within this one tool. And if you take a quick look around, there's absolutely no credit system anywhere. That alone should tell you I'm not capping. This tool is completely free and unlimited for both you and me. Don't worry, I'll reveal the link in a moment. For now, go ahead and click on Create Image. On the side, you can see examples of realistic images generated by this AI, which already gives you an idea of what it's capable of. All you need to do is type in your prompt. For example, a realistic man reading a newspaper at a bar. You can set the aspect ratio to any size you prefer, but I'll be using 9:16 for this. Then go ahead and click Generate. Now the image is being generated, and honestly, I'm really curious to see how well this performs. Alright, the image is done. If we click on it for a better view, you can see just how good this is. The attention to detail is actually insane. Everything looks clean and well put together. Now, if there's anything you don't like about the image, you can edit it directly within the tool. For example, you could remove something like the glass in his hand using the built-in editor. Let's try that out. I'll type in the prompt. He should be with a bottle of beer. And as you can see, it got edited perfectly. This just shows that with this tool, you don't even need an external editing app like Photoshop to make adjustments. I'll go ahead and download this to my device. Now here's where it gets even crazier. You can actually turn this image into a video right inside the same tool. Just click Create Video, and you can either leave it blank or type in a motion prompt. I'll go with something simple. He should be having a conversation with the bartender. Then click Generate. The video is now processing, so let's see how it handles this. Alright, it's done. Let's check it out.
He should with a bottle of beer. He should be having the conversation with the bartender.
As you can see, this is really impressive. The facial details are sharp, and the motion looks natural. For a free tool, this is honestly top tier. You can generate any type of video you want using prompts like this. And it works really well. And yeah, this tool is completely free and open for everyone. Here's the link to this tool. Make sure you check it out. This is the second tool I'll be talking about in this video. And honestly, this one is really impressive, especially when it comes to image and video generation. What makes it even more interesting is that it gives you access to a variety of paid AI models like Grok, Kling 2.6, Seadream, and several others, all in one place. Now you might be wondering, why would a tool give access to paid models for free? Well, the reason is pretty simple. This platform is designed for testing. It allows different AI models to compete against each other, so users can see which one performs best. So just by using the platform, you're actually contributing to that process. Once you're on the platform, you'll notice that there are different modes you can choose from. There's the battle mode, which lets you compare two anonymous AI models. There's the side-by-side mode, where you can pick two specific models and compare them directly. And then there's the direct mode, which allows you to interact with one model at a time. For this video, we'll be using the battle mode. Let's start with image generation. Then input this prompt, a cowboy going into a 1v1 fight with his loaded gun. Now I'll click Generate. As you can see, two different anonymous models are generating images at the same time. I'm actually curious to see how both of them turn out. Alright, the images are ready. At first glance, both results look really good, the details are solid, and everything looks clean. But if you look closely, you might notice that both images were actually generated using the same model. So let's try another example. This time, I'll input the prompt: a realistic woman applying makeup in front of a mirror. Then click Generate. Now the images are ready again, and this time you can clearly see that both results look amazing, but in slightly different styles. If you take a closer look, you'll notice that the names of the models haven't been revealed yet. To reveal them, you just need to scroll down and select one of the feedback options about the results. I usually go with both are good. Once you do that, the model names will be revealed. As you can see, the first image was generated by one model, while the second was generated by Flux2Flex. Now let's move on to video generation. For this part, you can either type in your prompt directly or upload a reference image, just like I did here. I'll go ahead and paste in my prompt, then start the generation. Alright, the video is ready. You might notice that sometimes one of the generations can fail for different reasons, but that's normal. It happens occasionally, and you can always regenerate. From my experience, it works consistently overall. Now let's take a look at the result.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us.
As you can see, the output looks really good. The motion is smooth and the details are solid. And keep in mind, there are even more advanced models on this platform that can produce even better results. So overall, this is definitely a tool worth trying out. And here is the link to this tool. So this is the last tool I'll be talking about in this video. This one is an unrestricted image generator. I know I've mentioned this tool in a previous video, but if you look closely, you'll notice that this interface looks a bit different from the version I showed before. That's because this is a more advanced version of the platform. If you want the link to this tool, just let me know in the comments section and I'll send it to you. Now, I'll go ahead and type in my prompt: a realistic woman in a bikini inside a pool. Over here, you also have options to add different styles and effects to your image. There's even an option for NSFW settings, but I won't be using that here because of YouTube's guidelines. You'll also notice there's a section for negative prompts where you can specify things you don't want to appear in the image. On top of that, you can even add seeds if you want more control and consistency in your results. Once you're done adjusting everything, all you have to do is click Generate. Alright, the images are ready. As you can see, the results look really clean. There's no blur, no distortions, just high-quality, detailed images. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this tool. So that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching.